The Honda Civic Type R is claimed to be one of the best in its class. Despite being a front-wheel drive, it's proven that it can best all-wheel drive competitors on the market. The question is, how much fun can you really have with the Type R after you've had enough of its stock power? I'm Bassem. Welcome to DSPORT Magazine.
AEM Induction Systems specifically engineers each of its intake systems for a particular application. AEM Induction Systems has proven time and time again that its intake system can add power and torque to your engine. Recently, we tested the AEM Cold Air Intake on the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. While we did see a measurable performance gain from the AEM intake, it was considerably less than the gains we've come to expect. With the AEM intake in place, a total of 297 peak wheel horsepower was realized. This is a 3.8 horsepower gain in peak wheel horsepower. A drop in boost at 5,500 RPM and again at 6,400 RPM resulted in a 2.5 pound-foot loss in peak torque. The question is, why did the intake show a minimal horsepower increase and a loss in torque? Well, this Type R taught us that before you have to worry about your airflow, there is a far bigger bottleneck that needs to be addressed. Honda's ECU is not cooperating in allowing the engine to make the horsepower it desires.
Thanks to Honda's engineers, the Type R comes equipped with an ECU that kills the fun tables, which you may know as the torque tables. The set torque tables in the Type R's ECU restrict additional horsepower and torque from being made using regular bolt-ons.
Until you jailbreak your ECU and get it tuned, you cannot expect significant changes to the power and torque curves with whatever parts you add. The AEM intake added some much-needed roar to an otherwise very quiet platform.
Sure, there are performance merits to quality aftermarket parts like the AEM intake, but as far as power and torque go, the factory ECU is the ultimate fun killer. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to the DSPORT Magazine YouTube channel.